Hi babe, welcome to my channel. Today we are going from this fussy hair to a braided ponytail, which is just simple and cute. Also included in the ponytail is some letter braids. So let's start. I started off with the basics of when you're braiding a ponytail. I parted the hair into four and made the individual braids at the middle, which is going to create more bulk in the middle and make it less painful in the middle, and it will help you make sure your ponytail is gathered into a pony in the middle. So I am starting off making the letter braids before I make the rest of the hairstyle. So I am not going to slow the video to show how I made this particular letters here, but I have a playlist and I have started braiding letters, showing you how to braid letters step by step, very clearly, dedicating each video to each letter. And you're going to see, so far I have gotten to letter F, but I promise you very soon we are going to get all the way to letter Z. But I hadn't ever practiced these particular letters I braided here, and you're going to see the mistake I made in the course of the video. I ended up making it inverted without taking into consideration that the letter has like it's an M and a W, and it ended up my M ended up looking like a W because I didn't put into consideration the angle I was at. But you will see in the course of the video. If you want to see how to braid alphabets, and luckily for you, if the hairstyle you're braiding is or the alphabets you need are already covered, then you can just watch it in the playlist so that you don't make any kind of mistake when doing yours. If you want to braid a letter or a name, you can just mix in the alphabet, of course, very easy. And I then braided the design around, just braided it around it. So if you need videos for other 4C hairstyle inspirations, styles, just how to braid 4C hairstyles, you will. Please do check my other videos. The playlist will be in the description bar. So I was braiding this hair damp. I would spray the hair whenever it gets dry. I would just mist it with water and leave-in conditioner. It made it so much easier for me to manage. And then I would detangle with a big wide tooth comb. Yeah. And I think okay, then I'm going to slow down some part of the video so that you can see exactly how I added hair extensions to her hair. I used Brazilian wool or yarn. I don't know what you call it in your area. I used that, but I didn't add it from the beginning of the braids. I braided until I got about towards the end of the braids, and then I fed in the Brazilian wool, not all at once. So I will slow the video very soon, and then you can see exactly how and when I added the Brazilian wool to make it blend effortlessly into the hair. It is only added here towards the end of the hair because it is going to help the hairstyle not to unravel, like the ends of her hair not to unravel, especially when you're braiding a short fussy hair. If you don't have any extensions and you don't secure the ends of the braid, it is going to start getting old from there. So that is why we added hair extensions towards the end of the braid, and it was a very good decision because this hair is going to last for a long while actually. And that was also why I kind of braided it tightly, because this hairstyle is going on vacation. It's going to just be a while. I wanted it to last for her as long as it could. And you can see my letter. I sincerely had the intention of braiding letter M, and as you can see, it looks like a W. So now I am braiding the second letter, which is a J, and everything is just inverted. Oh my god. But she was still excited. At least You have to turn and look at her from like the other side to figure out if she's telling someone I have my initials on my hair, M and J. The person would have to take a while to agree with her. Oh, okay, I see it. And that is just seriously embarrassing for someone who is making a playlist on how to braid letters. But guys, I am learning too. I have to practice the letters several times before I come and teach it on camera. I wasn't born with it. So I try it, and when I figure it out, then I make a video about it. So that's just it. And I believe that once I am done to the end of the letters or the alphabets, then I can just start freestyling names and words and initials on people's hair. But for now, we are learning. You can learn along with me. At least I give you the refined video, no mistakes there. Let's keep watching, guys. I would love a comment from you. So if you want to be supportive in any way, please do not skip all the ads. At least not all the ads. Don't skip all the ads, so that I can make money. That is how YouTubers make money. When people watch the ads that play in the video, that is how we make money. So please be a little bit supportive, so that your girl can grow. I can have a sound camera. I film with my phone, so that I can get a camera that can pick up the details. My phone makes fussy hairstyle look just smoky. Like when I zoom into it, it doesn't show like the healthy strands just sitting pretty gallantly. No, it just shows everything like mixed rice and stew, and that's not so great, but so far so good. So please don't skip all the ads, and I would really appreciate a comment from you. If you don't have the time for a comment, just leave a thumbs up. It's very encouraging. Like, it is seriously exciting and encouraging to get any type of feedback. Even the negative ones have helped me, like, just let me know or become aware of things I didn't know, or that I wasn't paying attention to, or that I could have done better, or just other people's thoughts and suggestions. I still appreciate them. So please leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share to anybody that might be interested. Anyone that has a short fussy hair, just share the video to them, so that they can have an idea for their next hairstyle. Or no, just you get what I mean. So I am trying to make the spiral shape at the back of her head, but my comb just wasn't bending into the curve. So I made the first part halfway, and then section the second half down, and made it easier. So do what you have to do. Guys, you cannot believe what time it is in Nigeria now. It's midnight, like 3 what? It's 3:28 a.m. The things we do for YouTube doesn't look as easy as it looks. So bringing out refined, finished, edited, trimmed, and made better videos is not easy. And again, this is why, like, I just try to remember in my videos to encourage people who are trying to do whatever you're trying to do. Do not compare your efforts to the finished product you see online. Finished, polished lifestyle, polished body, polished creativity, polished talent, polished everything, because I edited out all the nonsense that is going to take up time and is going to make my work look less perfect. I took off all those things, just cut off the time we stopped to gist, the time I had to part a particular line 3-4 times before getting it right. You will just cut off all the wrong times and then leave just the right time. Do not compare your efforts to social media. Do not compare your body to social media. Do not compare your creativity to social media, because you will just be hurting yourself. This is finished, edited to the best of their ability. Some people are more talented in editing perfection into everything. So please be kind. Like when some people would leave comments and say I braided a child's hair and the child just sat through her hair, she was such an angel, my baby would cry, she wouldn't let me touch. Guys, I cut off. If a child is throwing a tantrum or didn't let me braid her hair, or like all the sections where I was petting them and like dealing with all those stress, I cut it off. And you just see, maybe when the child was bawling out her eyes or screaming everywhere, I cut off those sections and you just see the finished product. So please just be patient with your work, be kind to your creativity and what you have, because we are just trying to patch life and just make the best of it. So this is our last finished product and I can tell you it is beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye.